I think Kermit is a bit smitten. He's only been here a couple of minutes and he's already really interested in the fact that there's a female in his cage. He must feel like a teenage boy who's first had like a woman sit on his bed. An actual woman. I'm still in shock that she was sitting on my hand for so long. I'm not surprised, considering she was purchased from someone who sells them to magicians and stuff. But wow, but she's still analysing the cage, looking over at everything and seeing where she can go. Have a meal. I can't believe how white she is. That's so beautiful, that is. Look at him, he's twitching from excitement. No. Either that or he's twitching thinking, oh my god, she's eating my food. I cannot wait to spend so much time with her and basically them all together. Hopefully. I'm going to see if introducing her to the group will calm both the males down. If they're not feeling like they're competing over the same attention of a female. Hopefully that'll work and will make it so that they stop attacking each other. But that may be wishful thinking. I just want to be able to have them all out of their cages at the same time so that I don't have to worry about them going crazy. But I'm really, really looking forward to spending some good quality time with you a lot later. Hey, but you're going to have to remain in the cage for a day or two so that you can accustom yourself to your surroundings and realise that I'm not a threat to you. Okay? I hate the fact that it keeps focusing in on the bars and not the bird in the bars. But yeah, I'll do another update video later.